to open your book, page 100. Here, in question 1, Roald Dahl uses lots of adjectives in this story. Adjectives make a story more interesting. So why I'm using the adjectives to write a story when I'm going to write a story, and why Miss Rhoda every time is telling you that you have to add more adjectives, because it makes your story more interesting. It attracted the reader. When someone is going to read your story, he will be attracted to your piece of writing. Now the questions is search the story on page 98 and 99. We are going to just search. We are going to take page 99 next session, not this session, and find the adjectives. I want you to find the adjectives that are missing from these sentences. We have some sentences like A, the what crocodile? B, I have space plans and space tricks. C, the space river in Africa. D, children are too what and what. I want you to pause the video for this question and to answer. After pausing the video, don't check your answer now, just wait. We have another question. Number 2, how many syllables are there in these words? Say the words out loud and clap for each syllable. Do you remember when we took the syllables and we said how we count the syllables? We're going to search for the vowels, and vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. Each group of syllables makes a sound. For example, we have here the word clean. It's just one syllable, clean. River. Clap your hands, river. It has 2 syllables. Muddiest. 3 syllables. Now we are going to see these words. I'm not going to split them. You're going to do it by your own. Crocodile, not so big, enormous, chewy, children. Now I want you to pause the video and think of these syllables, and then play it again to check your answer. These are the answers. Question 1, these are the answer of question 1. A is going to be the enormous crocodile. B, I have secret plans and clever tricks. C, so this is B and this is C, the biggest, brownest, muddiest river in Africa. D, children are too tough and chewy. And let's move to these questions about how many syllables are. Let's say crocodile. How gonna make it? Crocodile. Crocodile. 4 syllables. 4 syllables. Crocodile. Not so big. Not so big. 3 syllables only. Enormous, and because it's you can see it's a very big word, so it has many syllables. No, let's listen. Enormous. 3. Chewy. Chewy. 2. Children. 2 syllables. 2 syllables. Now we have page 101, and in this page is talking about the character and setting and some questions related to the story. Question 1, what is the setting for the story? Can you guess? Can you say? B. The two crocodiles talk about what the children are like to eat. Which one of these descriptions is not in the story? You have tough and chewy, nasty and bitter, tasty and sweet, juicy and yummy. There is a descriptions below there is not in the story. Can you search for it? Question C. Roald Dahl says that the enormous crocodile has teeth like knives in the sun. How does this make him sound? Choose one of these words. When you hear this phrase, or this sentence, sorry, that he has teeth like knives in the sun, how you feel? Frightening, cross, shiny, tall. Question D. When is the story happening? At which time? In the past or in the present? And we're going to discuss this question later. I want you to pause the video and then look at the text page 98 and 99 and find the answers of these questions. Then I want you to play the video again. Don't look at the answers now. We're going to answer the next question. Here, choose one of the words to answer each question. How do you think that the enormous crocodile feels when he thinks about catching children? How did he feel? Excited? Scared? Puzzled? Question B. What do you think the not so big crocodile thinks about the enormous crocodile's plan? He thinks he is brave. He thinks he is silly. He thinks he is mean. Now pause the video and then answer, and then check your answer from the next. Play the video again and check. Yes, here are the answers. Question A, the answer is going to be in the biggest, brownest, muddiest river in Africa. This is the answer. Question B, we're going to choose what the two adjectives that not in the text. Tasty and sweet. Excellent. And how did you feel when you what does this makes him sound when you are hearing the sentence that he has teeth like knives? Frightening. Question D, when is the story happening, in the past or in present? Can you guess? Excellent, in the present. And did you remember that Miss Rada told you that there are some stories written in the present and some stories written in the past, but when we are going to write a story, we are going to write it in what? In the past. Okay? This time I want you to write in the past, but there are some stories written in the present and some stories written in the past. The next question, how do you think that the enormous crocodile feels when he thinks about catching children? Excited and excited, sorry. And last question today is, what do you think the not so big crocodile thinks about the enormous crocodile? He thinks he is what? Very good. Silly. Okay. Thank you so much for today. Thank you so much for today.